Hi, it's Jules with the Daily Drop Society, and today we're going to talk all about doTERRA's frankincense essential oil. Frankincense essential oil is known as the king of the oils. That's because it has so many extraordinary health benefits. I just like to call it Frank. If you were ever in a bind in a dark alley and you needed a friend who'd always be there, I think their name would be Frank. I'm pretty sure. This oil is known for its soothing and beautifying properties when you apply it to the skin. It supports healthy cellular function, and when you inhale it, when you just breathe it in, it promotes feelings of peace, relaxation, satisfaction, and overall wellness. Now, there are a few things that set it apart that make doTERRA's frankincense so much different than any other frankincense you can get on the market. One of those reasons is that doTERRA only takes the highest grade of resin for the frankincense that they make. They partner with local tribes in those local areas to make sure they get fair market price, to make sure they get paid on time, to make sure that they don't over-harvest the frankincense trees. And what really calls to my heart about this company and how they ethically source things is that doTERRA actually employs women in these areas, an area that maybe women don't always have the opportunity to work and to provide for their family, but they actually let these women sort out the resin, giving them a chance to provide for their family. They go into these areas and build schools and places so their daughters have a place to go learn and get educated. I just want you guys to know that when you use doTERRA's frankincense oil, you're not only using the best quality that you can get for yourself to take care of your family, but it's actually taking care of other families all over the world when you use this oil. So how can you use this oil at home? Let's talk about a few different ways and what this oil is good for. Take 1 drop of frankincense, dilute it, and put it on your face at night and in the morning to help rejuvenate and help the skin imperfections. When I left high school, I had a lot of those imperfections I wanted to even out on my face. And as I get older, I want to help age more gracefully with wrinkles in my skin. And so I use this oil morning and night kind of as my graceful oil. This oil helps promote a healthy inflammatory response within our body. Inflammation unchecked in our body can cause a havoc on our body, from discomfort, digestive issues, skin problems, and when left unchecked for too long, disease. Use this oil as a great preventative to help support your body systems. You can use 1 drop of doTERRA's oil under your tongue to help promote that healthy inflammation response in your body. I take this oil daily, actually in my supplements for overall health. I take a daily multivitamin, fish oil, and a cellular health that actually includes essential oils in them, and it includes frankincense. I'm getting that healthy dose every single day. If you're looking to lessen stress and negative emotions, just by inhaling this oil, it's been shown to reduce those feelings. So just open the bottle and smell it. Maybe as a woman, you need a little bit of help at that time of the month to help balance our emotions. This oil has been shown to help support the hormones during these times for women by regulating our estrogen levels. Another way you can use this oil is to help ease digestion. By taking it internally in a study, it showed that it actually can speed up the secretion of digestive enzymes and improve overall circulation. There are so many ways to use frankincense essential oil, and I would love to hear, how are you guys using it? Leave it in the comments and share so we can all learn from each other. Amazing ways to use this king of the oils, and we will talk to you guys soon.